The DashClicks platform contains two applications that assist both you and your clients in tracking account analytics from various third-party integrations. The first object of concern is the Analytics application. Analytics is an app that allows you to integrate the following third-party analytics and tracking tools: Google Analytics, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, CallRail, SEO, and a listings manager. After you successfully integrate your accounts into DashClicks, you will be able to rapidly click between each platform and keep track of account-related metrics all in one place. If you order fulfillment service for yourself or for a client in the fulfillment store, we will automatically integrate these tracking tools for you within the Analytics application. The Analytics app is available to both main account and sub-account users. Your sub-account owners will be able to integrate their own analytics tools at any time, just as you can here. The second application is the Projects app. The Projects app is a main account exclusive application that helps companies and agency owners manage activities related to their sub-accounts, which you can find listed here on the left at any time. This includes the following tools: analytics tracking with third-party integrations, a form submission collector for any forms found on your landing pages or websites, a website editor in Analytics. You can also preview the sub-account website here, file storage for client-related assets and documents, and finally, notebooks for storing any important notes related to that sub-account. However, we're most concerned with Analytics. The Projects app acts as a mirror for all activity that happens within the Analytics application. This relationship allows you to stay up to date with all analytics for every sub-account associated with your main account here on the left. For example, our sub-account Cleaver Brooks has already integrated their Facebook Ads analytics within the Analytics app. Because of this, we can go to Projects, select Cleaver Brooks, go to the Analytics tab, then click on Facebook Ads. Now we can see the same analytics that Cleaver Brooks sees in their Analytics app within our Projects app. This relationship is advantageous as it gives the sub-account owner the power to manage their own analytics at any time. However, it also allows you to integrate analytics for a sub-account at any time through your main account's Projects app here. After you successfully integrate a third-party analytics tool for a sub-account, that sub-account owner will now be able to find their analytics within their Analytics app. You are able to perform this process either way. This covers the basics of what you need to know in regard to how the Analytics and Projects apps are related. Below this video, you can find a list of related articles to assist you with setting up third-party integrations for a sub-account within Analytics or Projects.